Hi guys, so welcome back to my channel, and if you have not subscribed it yet, do give it a try and do subscribe. So this is the bare face. I'm going to try some basics makeup look on this, and let's see how it turns out. So let's get into the video. So what we'll do now is taking this foundation stick and do like blending this on my face. I've already prepped my skin like previously, so I'm going to skip that part. It's now set on my skin. Now I'll just get started with the foundation stick. Also, I'm like a noob one here, so don't, I mean, you are always welcome to put your feedback or to some like provide your details. Like I will say मैंने अभी I just started doing it. It's not like I'm doing it for the longest of time, especially in this pandemic. I've started doing this, like trying different kind of makeup, different products on my skin, and giving it a try, like how it turns out. So now I'm sharing my journey with you guys, so you can always be like, you guys are always welcome. Apna feedback you can put in comments, and also do comment like you want these kind of video in Hindi or English more. I am actually comfortable in both languages, but I try to do in both Hindi and English mix kinds. But I'll take your feedback as reference, and we can see like how it comes out further, like what you guys are liking. Also, I would clearly say that I'm not confident yet to make these kinds of videos, but I am trying my best. So in case you don't like it, I am okay, that is fine, but I will keep trying to improve myself and see where I land further. Also, trying to blend it, we need to tap as well. I sometimes tap and sometimes do this, but I know the right technique is to tap into your skin. So yeah, it might take another 5 more minutes. Also, the foundation stick I'm using is like a very old one, not that old, but I think 2 years old, not three, sorry for that. So I have not used it so much time because I generally use Maybelline Fit Me. But that's what I said, like even if you see my last video, I'm just trying like quick makeup products, because मैं यही बोल रही थी कि it's not always necessary that you do it like full every time you can't go with the process, like पहले primer करा, then foundation, and then proper contouring, highlighting and everything. Sometimes you want to skip some of the like process, like some of the steps, and then you can move to the further process. So yeah, I am like basically here to do that. I will keep doing that, like sometimes सिर्फ foundation लगा लिया, या किसी दिन सिर्फ stick use कर ली, sometimes age rewind and everything, sometimes BB. So not always necessary that you do a full makeup every time, because that's not necessary, and also you don't have time every time to do that. So my experimenting with mostly would be using minimum products and getting that basic look, so that you can go out, or you can do that for going like closer places, not every time getting prepped up for the bigger event. So yeah. Sometimes we want to just do the basics. So again, yeah, maybe I'm gathering a lot, but let's keep going. I think this is quite a lot blended now. So yeah. So if you're seeing like अगर आप अभी देख रहे हो, तो you will see कि there is like a slight layer, इतना heavy नहीं हो रहा. Also skin is looking slightly better, like एकदम bare skin से it's much better. All at the same time not heavy. So like if I'm going out somewhere right away, so it's not necessary na कि I do a full face. I have to just look a slight glowy, and that's it. Not didn't want like इतना raw नहीं रखना था बस. So that's my only motive. अब इसके बाद क्या करेंगे, आई थिंक आई कैन डू बिट ऑफ माई आई, एंड obviously lips as well. That is the last thing I'll do. And I think I should go with like a kajal only, or maybe a eyeshadow, I'm not sure, let's see. And also it's like I'll keep it random always. It would be most random stuff that you will be seeing on my channel, because I'm mostly doing a video scribbling here. There is no motive out of it, so mostly I am currently doing a scribbling kind of here, where I'm documenting like how I did, like how was my journey throughout. And बहुत ज़्यादा like बोल रही हूँ यार मैं, so please ignore. I'll be using this another stick, and it's not a very expensive kind of makeup. I got it from Amazon only. In case you want a detail, I'll share the details with you. यहाँ पे थोड़ा सा concealing कर रही हूँ because of the under eye stuff, and I do have pigmentation around my eye, so I'll just conceal it, and that's it. Also, this stick has a contouring as well, like on the other side, so that I'll also do. I think अंदर आई थोड़ा सा better हो गया. So let's move to the contouring, and that will be minimal as well, not that great, like बहुत ज़्यादा नहीं करना, कुछ भी थोड़ा सा to give it थोड़ा सा jawline आ जाए, because I don't have exact jawline. I'm still trying to have a exact jawline from past many years, and I'll keep trying. Maybelline 20K 24K nudes वाला palette है. I'm not sure how much it's visible because of my ring light and stuff. So yeah, I'll take the brown one from here and blend it over my eyes. That's it. Not that much. Just the basic. इससे पहले you can put another shade as well for keeping it like blending and building, but I'm not doing it today. That's what I was saying. I'll keep experimenting कि क्या best कर रहे हैं, मतलब minimum product से क्या maximum building कर सकते हैं. It might not give that the best look, but yeah, we can experiment anytime. Also ये थोड़ा सा outside निकल गया. दोनों eyelashes पे कर लिया, like slight सा build भी कर लिया, मतलब जितना blend कर सकती थी. Nothing more. And you can always judge me on my like startup type spirits. Please go ahead and do that, but then I'll be more than happy if you can keep giving your feedbacks. Yeah, kind of blended. थोड़ा सा ज़्यादा चमकू हो गया, बट ठीक है, कोई बात नहीं. Experimenting again. I'm not putting any mascara on. Just this eyelash curler. Sorry, I forgot the name. So इससे बस थोड़ा सा curl कर लेंगे. I'm not putting any mascara because that becomes too heavy, and then I'll put a kajal and a Maybelline nude lipstick. So that's it. तो मैं ये करके I'll get back to you after kajal. Thank you. Bye. So I'm back after my curling eyelashes, just putting the kajal on. And sorry, this happens with makeup. When you are doing it, you just sometimes forget like what were you saying, because your half of mind is stuck with like what are you doing. So maybe putting this nude shade of Maybelline on. It's 657, and yeah, I love this shade. Like I really love this shade, and you can see the pigmentation. Perfect look. I love it. And now I put some earrings on, and let's put my hoops on. and hoops can like bring some kind of energy back to your any kind of makeup, so it's like a instant glowing thing to your face. So yeah, I think that's it, and I'll be putting the pictures soon so that you can see that how it turned out. Also, like, this area is looking a bit bare, so what I'll put is I'll put a mist on so that it can glow a bit, and that's a Bath and Body mist. So yeah, this is the Bath and Body mist which I'll spray here. It will maybe start glowing a bit better. So see, I only use like four products, four products, and make this look like you can go right away to some place which you want, or maybe to a date. So I'll put the pictures here so that you can refer to them and see how it turned out.